What if I tell you you can completely study for free in the US? Yes, you heard me right. The Knight Hennessy Scholarship Program 2026 for US citizens or international students wishing to apply for a graduate degree program from Stanford University is now open. This scholarship is a unique opportunity for graduate students across Stanford University to participate in multicultural and diverse activities. Moreover, this is a fully funded scholarship in the United States and it delivers a range of educational experience. So in this video, I'm going to show you all you need to know about this scholarship, including the eligibility requirements, the benefits, and as well the application procedure. Also, not neglecting the fact that this scholarship is very competitive. You need to apply with your best academic records. If this is the first time of coming across our YouTube video, do ensure you like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this where we discuss scholarship for international students. The Knight Hennessy Scholarship Program 2026 is an outstanding opportunity to those who want to apply for graduate programs, who have a visionary mind and who are eager to learn across cultural dimension. Also, you must exhibit leadership qualities from previous experience and also serve as role models for others to bring positive change. So I'm just going to go straight to all you need to know about this scholarship. But before the eligibility criteria, scholarship will be based on academic merit as 100 scholarship awards will be distributed for both US citizens and international students. Just like I said, this is for graduate degree programs. And these are the programs. We have DMA, joint degree. We have Masters of Arts, Masters of Business Administration, Doctor of Medicine, Masters of Fine Arts, Master of Public Policy, Master of Science, and PhD program. So now heading over to the eligibility requirements, we have both domestic and international students are eligible to apply for this scholarship. You must be enrolled for any postgraduate programs offered by Stanford University. So I'm going to show you the list of postgraduate programs you can apply for. You can as well confirm this list from the official university website. We have applicants must apply as a full-time student to be eligible for this scholarship. The applicant must be a new incoming student, as current students are now eligible to apply for the Knight Hennessy Scholarship. Applicants must have obtained bachelor degree by January 2019 or later. You must have completed your bachelor degree program from January 2019 and above. And you must meet English language proficiency certificate examination like the IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT. These are very important. Where you don't need to provide this certification is if you have previously studied in English language or if your country official language is English. So although there are some exceptions to this criteria. Then looking at the benefits, we have scholarship, we cover full tuition fee, living expensive, stipend will be provided instrumentally, We have air-round economic class tickets, miscellaneous expenses like the academic supplies, stationaries. We have instructional materials will be provided as well. Local transportation costs will be made available. We have additional personal expenses will be provided. Then looking at the duration of this scholarship, since it is a renewable scholarship which will be provided every year, so this duration can either be 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years, depending on the level of the program you are applying. Then the scholarship will cover the entire duration of study. Now we have the academic fields or courses under the scholarship. So you can as well head over to the university portal and check for the list of courses, just like you can see on this website. So I'm going to drop the link of this web page in the description of this video. You can as well access this link so that you can get the full details about the scholarship and apply if you're interested. So we have courses under School of Engineering, we have courses under School of Humanities and Sciences, we have courses under Earth, Energy and Environmental Science. So we have courses under Graduate School of Education, School of Medicine, School of Law, Graduate School of Business, School of Medicine, Biosciences. So you can as well head over to the university portal undergraduate programs and see the list of courses that you can apply for this scholarship. Just like I said, this is a very competitive scholarship which is based on academic merits. The document required for this, you need your original certificate, official transcripts, English proficiency, test scores. If you have met the criteria for it to be exempted, then you don't need to provide the English proficiency test scores. We have the CV. You need your updated CV, letters of recommendation, personal statement, essay requirements, and you need short answers. You can as well be told to provide a video story or in-person assessments. So the deadline for this Knight Hennessy Scholar program is 8th of October 2025. So what do you need to do in order for you to apply for this scholarship? The application for Knight Hennessy Scholarship at Stanford University is simple, easy, and straightforward. To apply for this fully funded scholarship, all you need to do is identify the course you intend to apply. So after gathering all the necessary information about such course and meeting the eligibility requirements, having all the documents that is required, then next is for you to apply for admission. So once you are on this website and you intend to apply, you need to click on see details and it will redirect you to this page. You will see your application as the title. Now go through this information. You have the purpose, application is opened, the program varies, and the deadline is October 8th. As you can see, requirements, you need online application form, resume, We have the transcript and test scores, recommendation letter, short answer, and essay. You can also apply for an application fee waiver when you apply for that particular graduate course. So here you are required to pay $125 application fee, which is non-refundable, and there's a fee waiver for this. So um, if you qualify for one of the following, you may request an application fee waiver, just like it is being indicated here. There is need for application fee, but you can apply for application fee waiver. So just head over to this page and see how you can apply. So let's head over to the application steps. All you need to do is to create a concurrent Knight Hennessy Scholarship application and your Stanford Graduate Degree Program application as early as possible. You don't need to complete this application as once. You may save your application and return. Then enter the recommenders information in your application as early as possible. This allows recommenders ample time to submit their letters. The step 3 is complete various sections of the application. Save your progress as you go. Then submit online application by their respective deadlines. You will not be able to edit the KHS application once you submit, with the exception of test scores, recommenders, your resume, and your intended Stanford graduate programs. So all they are telling you here is that you need to create an account and apply for a graduate degree program as early as possible so you can have time to provide all the necessary information and upload all the documents required. This second step requires you to include letters of recommendation. So if it is by request, there will be enough time for the university to receive this request before the application deadline. So you are expected to also complete all the sections in your applications and save your progress as you go. Then also note that you will not be able to edit your application once you have submitted. So it is expected of you to take your time and revise all the necessary information you imputed before you submit your application. And the last step, if your standard graduate program requires test scores, you receive new scores after submitting your KHS application. So you can update the test scores for Knight Hennessy Scholars throughout your application status page. So they are also saying here, they also stated here that if you included a test course and you have another latest course, there's a chance for you to upgrade it or edit it to the latest score. So what do you need to do? All you need to do is to go to the graduate admission page, click on it. So let's head over to the Explore Graduates program. So just like I read to you, this is the list of programs. You can filter it out. So after identifying the course and you have met the eligibility requirements, prepare all your documents, then all you need to do is to click on the online application, then click on join the 2026 cohort. So it will redirect you to this page where you need to apply as a first-time user. Click on create account. Here you need to fill in your email address, first name, last name, date of birth, and you click on continue. So when you register, you'll be sent a temporary pin which you are going to enter. So let me do that right now. You are going to select your date of birth before you be allowed to log in. So next is input your new password. So you click on set password. So this is where you begin your application. Click on start new application. Here you are just going to fill in your information. This is the so here you are required to enter the name of your institution. So you have to search it. Then once it comes up, then select it. Remember that the graduation date must be from January 2019 and later. So here I do select December 2021, and as an international student, I don't serve in any military department or organization. So I click on submit. So I'm just going to click on this link, then click on open application. And then begin to fill in all this information. All this information are really necessary. So you have all the time right now for you to fill in the correct information about this application, and also there's enough time for you to provide all the documents that is required. That's why it is expected of you to apply as early as possible. So here, just go through this information, and when you are ready to begin your application, so you click in the next tab here, which is your personal information, where you need to start filling in all this information carefully, because after submitting this application, there is no means of editing it. So take your time, apply as early as possible so that you can get all the documents ready before the application deadline. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more scholarship updates like this. So see you in our next video.